So students, you will tell me the name of the compartment. Okay. So I have not drawn the buccal cavity because we have revised it so many times. So the next step is this pipe. What is the name of this pipe?
Esophagus.
Esophagus. And then food will travel to which compartment?
Stomach.
It is, this part is known as, it's called stomach.
Stomach.
So, and next, it will go into the
Blood stain.
Can you tell me what are the things that are present in stomach? We have studied.
Mucus, hydrochloric acid, and digestive juices.
Yes, very good. So what is the function of that hydrochloric acid? Tanya?
Kills microbes.
It kills microbes. Good. And the next, what is the function of digestive juices? Digestive juices. Yes, Dhruv.
Ma'am, the digestive juices break down proteins into simpler substances.
Very good. And the next, mucus. What is the function of mucus? Yes, Vanshika.
It protects the lining of stomach. It protects the lining of stomach.
Yes, it protects the lining of the stomach and also protect it from the harmful effect of HCl. Yes, because HCl is strong acid and it is a jelly-like substance. Clear? And the next, HCl, another use of HCl is that it makes the medium acidic. Okay, that is required for working of the digestive juices. And the next, we are discussing about small intestine. From the stomach, then the food will go into the small intestine. So, in that we have discussed about liver. What is the length of the small intestine?
7.5.
7.5 meter.
Very good. And the next is, it receives the secretions from which glands?
Liver and
Glands.
Liver and pancreas.
So, this structure, it is of liver. Liver excretes which juice? Liver secretes which juice?
and
Bile juice.
Very good, bile juice. Liver, it secretes bile juice. Okay, and what is the function of bile juice? What is the function of bile juice? Rohan Gabba.
Digestion of fats.
Digestion of fats. Very good. Very good, Rohan. So liver and the next it is pancreas. So we have covered the liver one and now we will come to the pancreas. So there is another sac also, gallbladder. I told you its function also. What is its function? Anyone?
It stores bile.
It stores the, very good. So it stores the bile juice. Clear? Next. So we have discussed that the liver is reddish brown gland that is situated at the upper part of the abdomen on the right side. And it secretes bile juice and that is stored in the gallbladder. Clear? And it helps the bile juice help in the digestion of fats. Next is pancreas. So pancreas is a large cream gland. It is cream in color. It Clear? And it is situated just below the stomach. See, it is stomach, it is pancreas. It is just below stomach. Below stomach. Sorry. Stomach. And the another is liver. Liver जो excrete करता है उसको bile juice कहते हैं. And the pancreas secretes pancreatic juice. Here it is given in your book also. Pancreatic juice.
वो हो रहा है
Mute yourself. The pancreatic juice. Clear? And what is the function of this pancreatic juice? That it acts on the carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Three things: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and break them into simpler substances. Clear? वो उसको simpler substances में break कर देता है. Clear? And it is important to note that the whole digestion process is taking place in the small intestine. Clear? If someone asks you where the whole digestion takes place, complete digestion किसमें होता है? So you will answer that in the small intestine. Clear? And now next is on the page number 17. Underline this: the partly digested food now reaches the lower part of the small intestine. अब जो आपने food खाया है, जो digested है, वो कहाँ पे आ गया? Lower part of the small intestine. Clear? And the complete digestion takes place. Okay, and what will happen? I am rubbing this side, okay, as we have discussed it. So here the digestion is taking place, okay, and carbohydrates, it will get converted into simpler form, that is glucose. Clear? And next thing is protein. It will get converted into amino acids. It is amino acids. Clear? Amino acids. You can write it down. And the fats is converted into fatty acids. So these are the simpler form. These are the simpler form in which the carbohydrates is broken into glucose, and then protein is broken down into amino acids, and next fats is broken down into fatty acids. Clear? Here another thing is glycerol. Students, you will come to know about glycerol and these acids in the higher classes. Clear? Now the next is, now the food there digestion हो चुका है complete, then the absorption takes place. Digestion का process complete हो गया है, अब हमने उसमें क्या होना है? Absorb होना है. So how it is taking place? I am rubbing the diagram here because we have to now understand the absorption. So the digested food will pass through the blood vessels that are present in small intestine. So in the first step of the absorption, digested food will pass through the blood vessels. और ये blood vessel कहाँ पे है? In the small intestine. Clear? And this process is called the absorption. It is written in bold on page number 17. Topic: absorption in the small intestine. The digested food now pass through the blood vessels that is present in the wall of intestine, it is called absorption. Here, so it is an easy way that you can learn. Okay, and write the whole definition from it. Clear? So it will be easy for you to learn the definition also. Now next is in the second step, what is happening? There in the small intestine, small structures, finger-like outgrowths are there in this way. These are called villi. If it is singular, it is villus. Clear? Villi. So these are finger-like outgrowths that are called villi, and it is present on the inner walls of small intestine. Where it is present, inner walls of small intestine. Clear? So what is the role of villi? It will increase the area for absorption. You can write it down. What is its role? Increase area for absorption. Clear? There is any doubt? Okay, now we will proceed further then. If there is no doubt, so each villi, जो ये आपने villi है, इसमें blood vessels का पूरा एक network है ऐसे. Here there is network of blood vessels in it also that is very close to its surface. Clear? And at the surface of the villi, digestion, it absorbs the digested material from it. Clear? And then it will transport to the organs of the body. Absorption हो गई है, villi के साथ उसने area provide किया है उसको absorb करने के लिए. अब जो digested food है वो transport होगा different organs में. Clear? It is clear to you all? And next is, now I am reading the para, just concentrate here. The digestive food now can pass into the blood vessels in the wall of the intestine. This process is called absorption. The inner walls of the small intestine have thousands of finger-like outgrowths. These are called villi. What is the function of villi? It will increase the surface area for absorption. Clear? And each villi or villus, the villus have small blood vessels in it. There is a network of these blood vessels that is close to the villus. Clear? And now the food is the digestive food, that the absorbed food is transported to the organs of the body. Clear? If you have any doubt up to this topic, you can ask. So you have to understand the things. Okay, it may be difficult for you to learn in the starting. Okay, but if you understand it with diagram and in the proper manner, you will never forget it. Clear? And the next is it is absorbed, it is transported to the blood vessels also, and it will the पूरा absorption हो चुकी है, उसको transport भी कर दिया organs में, ठीक है? Now in the cells, now we breathe also, we take oxygen in. So in the cells, what will happen? In the cells, in the presence of oxygen, clear? I told you that there is glucose that is formed. It is simpler substance. Glucose will break down in the presence of oxygen to give carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Clear? It will give carbon dioxide. So therefore we get energy in this way. Clear? And we release carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Clear? Glucose in the presence of oxygen gives CO2 or carbon dioxide, you can write, and plus water plus energy. This energy is used for doing the task, okay, or for doing work, and CO2 is released. Clear? And the next is now the undigested food. डाइजेशन हो चुकी है कंप्लीट, अब्जॉर्प्शन हो चुका है, अब जो अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड बच गया, ठीक है, ऐसा तो नहीं है कि सारा खाना जो डाइजेस्ट हो जाएगा, सो देयर इज अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड आल्सो, yes, and it will pass through the large intestine, the next compartment or the next organ. Now the food will transfer from the small intestine to the large intestine. So what is the length? Note it down. Its length is 1.5 meter. Clear? Length of large intestine. Yes. There is any doubt? Okay. So in large intestine, so this type of structure is there. It is the structure of large intestine, and the small intestine is present here, and the food will now come to the undigested food will come into the large intestine. Clear? And in the large, and it is wider, and but its length is shorter than the small intestine. So what is its function? It will absorb the water. Clear? That is present in the food. From the undigested food, it will absorb the water and some other salts also. So what is its function? It will absorb water and salts from the undigested food. Clear? And the remaining waste will go to the rectum, and then it will spit it out from the anus. It is rectum. It will store the waste, okay, and then it is released from anus. Clear? So we have completed the human digestive system. So in this process, the process of removing waste from the body, it is called digestion. Clear? Underline it. It is given in the large intestine. At the last, it is written in bold. The fecal matter, the feces that is semi-solid in nature, are removed through anus from time to time. This is called ejection. Clear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of assimilation?
Yes. So in the simulation, so in the small intestine, what is happening there? The complex substances that are required for our body, it is used by the organs. Okay, it is transferred to the various organs of the body, and they are used to build the complex substances. For example, protein. So this process is called assimilation. Clear? जो absorbed digested food material है, अब हम उसको यूज करेंगे कॉम्प्लेक्स बनाने के लिए जो हमारी बॉडी को चाहिए. ठीक है, जैसे कि प्रोटीन्स हमारी बॉडी को चाहिए. ठीक है, so it will help in making that compound or that complex molecule. So this process is called assimilation. Clear? Ingestion, digestion is clear to you all? These are the topics that we have discussed in the starting. Yes, Dhruv.
Ma'am, what is the difference between glands and organs?
So the glands secrete a particular type of juices that are required for the functioning. Clear?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
these are totally different from organ. You can write down the definition of gland also. Write it down on your notebook or on the book also you can write. So the glands, it is an organ which produce or release some special type of substances that are needed in the process of digestion. Clear? And the next we have to discuss about the blue table, the blue box. Sorry, it is a box that is given on page number 16. The working of the stomach was discovered by a strange accident. इसमें क्या हुआ था? There is a man named Alexis Saint Martin. So he was hit by a shotgun. Okay? जो वो गन की जो बुलेट थी वो उसके कहाँ पे लगी? स्टमक में. Clear? So there is a hole in the stomach. So the doctor named William Beaumont saved his life. Okay, but उसने उसको अच्छे से पूरा प्रॉपरली बैंडेज मींस कि उसको प्रॉपर कवर नहीं किया उस होल को. Clear? And he observed the stomach that what is happening in the stomach. उसने ऑब्जर्व किया कि स्टमक में क्या हो रहा है. So what is happening? The mixing of food is taking place in the stomach. So in this way, it is discovered accidentally. Here it is a strange incident. So after that, he found that the stomach was turning food. That means it is stirring or moving. The food is moving in it. It was secreted a fluid which could digest the food. He also observed that the end of the stomach opens into the intestine only after digestion of the food inside the stomach is completed. So the one end of the stomach is connected to the small intestine and the other end is connected to the esophagus. We have already studied it. So he made this observation during this incident. Clear? And the next I have given you a homework also regarding it is at the times the food is not accepted as stomach and it is vomited out. So what is the reason behind it? Anyone? Yes, Vanshika?
Ma'am, the vomit is the undigested food which our body cannot accept, so it throws out.
Vanshika, बच्चे please repeat again. Actually मुझे audible नहीं हुआ जो आपने बोला.
Ma'am, the undigested food which is not acceptable by our body, so our body throws out that food.
Yes, so it may happen due to the acidity also or undigested
मैम
food.
अगर हम कभी कभी ओवर फूड खा लेते हैं तो वो भी स्टमक उसे कभी कभी एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पाता.
Yes, right. So and another reason may be there will be infection also by the food that is caused by the food that you have eaten. So the stomach will not accept that and therefore vomiting happen. Clear?
Ma'am,
Yes.
मैम कुछ लोगों को प्रॉब्लम होती है कि उनको कार में भी वॉमिटिंग या बस में वॉमिटिंग हो जाती है, तो मैम उसके पीछे रीजन क्या है?
It is the reason may be due to that they have It is due to these
Ma'am,
reasons
aeroplane
also that we have discussed.
Okay,
It may be one of the reasons. उनका जो digestion system है वो properly work नहीं करता होगा, so some person face this problem.
मैम मैंने भी एक बार एरोप्लेन जब जा रहा था तो मैंने वहाँ पे चिप्स खा लिए थे, फिर बाद में जब वो हुई take
Your
off किया
voice is
plane
not
तो
clear to me. Please repeat again.
मैम मैंने भी जब एरोप्लेन में एक बार गया था तो वहाँ पे पहले एरोप्लेन में मैंने चिप्स खा ली, फिर जब वो टेक ऑफ किया तो मुझे वॉमिट आ गई।
Yes, it may be due to the it depends upon the human also. It varies from person to person. Here it is due to the immunity of the person also. Clear? कई person ये problem face करते हैं vomiting की, कईयों को ये problem नहीं आती है. Undigested food and the infection, if it is there, acidity is there, then surely it will be vomited out. Clear? And the next thing, the same answer will be for the question that is given on the page number 15. Paheli wants to know how the food moves in the opposite direction during vomiting. You will find its reason. Okay, it is your homework. Clear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम अगर हमको प्रोटीन्स चाहिए होते हैं एज कॉम्प्लेक्स सब्सटेंसेस तो मैम हम पहले उनको ब्रेक क्यों करते हैं इनटू सिंपलर सब्सटेंसेस?
Then there is not only one type of protein. There the structure the structure of each protein is different. Clear? The keratin has a different structure, and another that is present in our hair or nails, or another thing, the proteins that are present in our body. There are so many types of proteins also. So the structure varies. Okay?
Okay,
That
ma'am.
it may happen that the protein that is broken down, it is not needed by the body. Clear?
Okay. Yes,
So the
ma'am.
body will form that protein which is required to it. Yes, Pranveer?
Ma'am, the story told me that how the excellently we found that how the digestion take place. Ma'am, हमें इसको learn भी करना है इसके अंदर के names.
That the person who found, who discovered the stomach. Yes, you have to learn the name of the scientist also. Sorry, it is
Okay,
a
ma'am.
doctor, army
Okay,
doctor.
ma'am.
The name is William Beaumont. Underline this also in 1822. And the name of the man was Alexis Saint Martin. Clear? So students, what type of movements are taking place? What is the name of that movement that is taking place in the whole digestive tract? Anyone note it down? We have discussed it. Raise your hand.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
Which type of movement is taking place in our whole digestive tract? So you can note it down that it is, if you have not noted, it is peristaltic. Here I have told you in this way, it is happening. Contraction, expansion. In this way, the food is going down in the food pipe. Clear? So the movement of in the digestive tract is a peristaltic movement. Now students, and the another 2.3 and the digestion in animals and in amoeba. We will discuss it tomorrow. If you have any doubt, you can ask. No doubt? So then I will ask you.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
Yes.
मैम जो हमारे मिल्क टीथ होते हैं तो वो हमारे यंग एज में कुछ ही ब्रेक होते हैं, सारे नहीं टूटते हैं। तो मैम वो जो कुछ ही क्यों ब्रेक होते हैं, सब क्यों नहीं होते हैं? वो परमानेंट में थोड़े ही चेंज होते हैं।